How to stream Amazon Prime on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser, or you can also use the Amazon Prime application. Simply stream the video on your Amazon Prime. After doing that, do not close the tab but directly go to Discord. Now, select a server from which you want to stream Amazon Prime. After that, simply open a call and then screen share. Simply share the screen that has Amazon Prime playing, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.